Hey, it's Boudreaux Eunice on call. How y'all are this evening? Well, this video is about a primer bulb on like the 6 horse engines, 6.25, 6.75, such as. But this engine ain't that. It's a little 10 series. Picked up off the side of the road. My neighbor, Richard Ordway, called me up. Well, my friend, he said his neighbor had a couple of mowers out there, push mowers. So he said, come get them before somebody picks them up for junk. Well, this one needed a carburetor, a tank, an air filter housing, and an air filter. And guess what? Oh, and some bunch of junk from underneath, wrapped around the blade, under the deck, wrapped around the blade. Boy. I mean, it was bad. Some heavy-duty wire under there, baling twine for hay, all that. But got it running good. So anyway, look, this right here. Let me get out the way. I'm gonna let Miss Missy handle the camera, and I can't see, but I'm gonna point out a couple of things to y'all on this. Oh, we got a shadow going on over here. Miss Missy, can you get on this side of me? This side. Look, we're going to show y'all how to change one of these out. Take it out and install it. This is a good one. This is a good filter box. It's a filter base for the 6 horse engines. You know, 6.25s, all that. If you got that rectangular filter cartridge that goes in there, then that's it right there. Let me put my old man glasses on here. Alright, I made a video a while back of one like this, explaining how this works. And I did, I was in a rush. My phone didn't have any memory on it. But I got this camera and it has a lot of memory. Alright, behind this filter, and I'm going to show y'all that after a while, this bulb, they have a filter, a screen behind there. And when you push this, it has a hole in it. When you push on this, you're pushing air coming out of here, going through here, going through this gasket. Well, if I can get it on the right way. And this little hole right here in that gasket is going to force air into the carburetor, into the bowl, and that essentially is going to push out a small amount of gas. That mower I just showed y'all, if you take the air filter off and you prime the bulb, which does not have a hole in it, you'll see gas, a stream squirting. In this case, it doesn't work like that. It just forces a pulse of air down in the bowl, and it comes up into the venturi of the carburetor. Alright, as y'all all know, I'm on a farm, most of y'all, and I help people out. It's a lawnmower, a small engine farm, and I help people out, giving them advice and all that. So anyway, we're going to start taking this out, going through the procedure. Okay, well, take a flat screwdriver. That's a gunsmith screwdriver right there, and you can see how that's made. Got that nice edge on it. Doesn't have that, and it fits screws perfect, especially jet screws. There's 2 tabs in here, and if I don't stab my fingers, right, do that on both sides, pressing them tabs. And get behind it, and she should pop right out. Okay, now you got to pay attention. See how that tab goes on there like that. Goes in and on. Alright, let me get in my little box right here. Alright, this ain't all I got. This is just stuff I keep at my house shop. We got the big shop a few blocks down the road. I work on all the outboard motors and all that. Huh, you think I need gaskets? Oh, by the way, when you buy a 498260 carburetor kit, you get that gasket here I just showed you and that one. See the difference? Watch that there. See the difference? This gasket is for the ones with the automatic choke, no primer bulb. So what you do if you buy that 498260 Briggs kit, you save this gasket and you use this one if it has an automatic choke ran by the muffler, the metal alloy. So these things ain't cheap. They're about $4 or $5, and these are about $5. So all right, I use like a 19 millimeter. That's a 17 and a 19, and pretty good sockets right there. That's a 1/2 inch drive. Use that to push that back in. Now, remember I showed you about that tabs? Alright, now, let's see. Oh, this one don't have a screen in it. But you blow this out with carb spray. Blow it out. Get that right there all cleaned out. That way your air can go through. Alright, so we're going to put this in right here. Just line those tabs up. Oh, my 19 won't fit. Chav. Okay, the 17 is going to fit. And guess what? I don't think my notches, my tabs are lined up. Nope. So, well, they look like they lined up. Oh. They look like they lined up, but maybe my socket ain't just right. You know what? I don't know if I got that on there backwards. I don't think I... No, I don't. No, I don't have that on backwards. I had it in there wrong. I had it in there wrong. I had the bulb in there wrong. There it is. Boom. Nope, it's not locked. Thought it was. My socket's a little bit too big. But you can take that screwdriver. Yeah, bon Dieu. Nothing going right now. The only thing went right this weekend was LSU and the Saints winning for Louisiana. That's for sure. Alright, she's locked in now. Alright? Well, that's about it for that. So, I hope this helps y'all. We'll catch y'all plus tard.